I'm assuming you're wondering, how is financial independency related to coffee? Well, my dear millennial, let's jump right into it. So this is the first vlog for the millennials out there who don't know how to save money. And I'll start with a simple topic. Coffee. I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel or something. It's just about simple economics. Economics which will help you improve your overall lifestyle and going near the bigger picture of becoming financial independent. You'll see soon enough what I'm talking about. Before your next trip to your local Dunkin Donuts, McDonald's or whatever coffee shop you're used to, please stop and brainstorm with me an idea which will save you a lot of money. I understand your need for coffee, and believe me, it's an important daily routine of mine too, because I can't start my day without a fresh cup of joe. But when I'm telling you to avoid going to coffee shops, I'm referring to people who make it a habit in buying coffee each time when going to work or on a daily basis in general. Let me explain. An average price for coffee at Starbucks, for example, in the European Union goes around 4 euros. So if you have a 5-day-a-week job with only 1 cup per day, your monthly expenses on coffee alone will be around 80 euros or $90. In a year with a 1-month vacation, you'll spend almost 900 euros or $1,000. I'm guessing that after this simple financial rundown, you're wondering what to do with your life right now, because it's a shock to see how much money you're spending on coffee alone. But don't worry, my millennial friend, because I've got a simple and easy solution that will also keep you hip and cool amongst your friends. This simple tip is for millennials only, because old school guys already know this way of life. Buy yourself a coffee maker or an espresso machine. The latter one needs more maintenance, but it has a better taste. And don't worry, both of them make coffee extremely fast and tasty, just like in your local coffee shop. And this is me following my own advice. See? An usual coffee maker has a starting price of about 20 bucks, but depending on your needs, it can go up to a couple $100. And it's still a deal, because you can look at it as an investment. You'll drink coffee, you'll get your money back, and also remain with a perfect functional product which will keep on brewing coffee. The monthly cost of a good coffee bag is about 5 bucks. So in a working year, you'll get up to 50 euros or $55. That's after you've paid your coffee maker. Let's see how much you can save within a year with my simple advice. We'll subtract from the $1,000 spent yearly in coffee shops or $55 for coffee, and let's say 100 bucks for a good coffee maker. The result speaks for itself. $845 or 760 euros in the first year alone. But keep in mind that the next year you'll already have a coffee maker, so you can add up even more to your savings account. Oh, I forgot something. If you're the kind of guy who cares about his image and don't want to be taken as a cheapskate for bringing his own coffee, you can try buying yourself a cool travel mug, just like the one I have here. Yeah, it's supposed to be some kind of camera lens from Canon, and it's kind of cool. Sure, mine is a little beaten up, but it does its job, and people always admire it. If you're interested in cool travel mugs like the one I have here, you can check the links down below. In other words, with a frugal approach on this coffee drinking habit, you can buy yourself the newest iPhone once a year. Or even better, because that's why I'm here, you can start investing in your future financial freedom. Opportunities will always appear, and it's good to have those $900 just laying around there, waiting to be invested. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to my channel. See you soon.